is a 40x40 tent liner sent for free from our favorite tent vendor, Celina Tents. We are currently setting up a pretty big festival with 15 tents, and this will be our first time ever installing a tent liner. So let's get into it and see if our guys are able to set this up. Okay, so you're really good about this.
I'm not feeling good about them drapes at all. I kind of think it's gonna be a cluster mustard since I come on camera. Cluster mustard on the drape because we ain't never done it. I could be wrong. It could be super easy, but not knowing is not knowing. I don't know. Do we put the top on and the drapes? I mean, I don't. That's what I'm saying. I don't even know how you even come at that.
I thought it was like drape first, then top, but you might be.
I don't even have a clue which way it's gonna go. From the you wouldn't. I ain't looking at no instruction. I don't want to know. I looked at the picture you sent. I mean, it don't look like it. Look like it's all drape.
You think Kelly Rentals will ever just offer tent liners, just in general?
It's a possibility, but I would not be here if they did.
No.
I mean, that would be. I would pack my bags. That'd be it. I'm 43, finna be 44 in October. I'm not gonna be out here 50 messing with no 100 drapes. I'm just telling. My days is numbered regardless. Either way, if we just putting up these, my days is numbered. I mean, there's only so many more times I'm gonna be able to do it.
Okay, a little update. We're done with all the 40x40s. All we're waiting for is the cement blocks. We need to send the truck back because it was really heavy. I think we got like 32, 34 of them here. We're going back for the other half. Right now we're framing up the 20x20s. We should be done here in about 2 hours framing up all these 20x20s. And then the truck should be back by then and we'll just drop the blocks and we're all done for the day.
The moment you've been waiting for. We're finally to the 40x40 tent. We're gonna put the liner up. Thanks to Celina that sent it out. We're gonna put it up. We're gonna go with you, the pros, the cons, the things that we hate. And obviously Kobe's gonna comment on every single thing that he has.
You already know.
We're gonna unwrap the liner and start putting it up. Then we're gonna kind of show you as we do that, okay?
Well, where's the centerpiece? The center part.
Oh, okay. You put it through there and
It's a West Coast design on all of them. Generally they have these little alligator clips and then there's a line for your sidewalls. That's what we're doing. We're basically clipping the whole liner on that. And once we get that up, then we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side, clip it all the way around. And then we'll go ahead and connect the middle part. So like in the middle, I'll show you here in a little bit. There's a hole in there and it comes with a little anchor. And then you basically unscrew it, and then you put. I'm assuming you align both the holes up, run that anchor, and then tie that pulley to it, and then just pull it up. So that's what we're doing right now. We're just going around clipping it all to the line, and then once we're done, we're gonna go up with it. The more times we do it, the faster we get, and the more efficient we get. So right now, we're like with chickens with our heads cut off. We don't know what to do. We're disorganized, and we're like, everyone's a chief right now. Like, do it this way. No, do this way. It's easier. Oh, that's how you do it. So that's just how we learn. So they're getting it down right now.
Well, you gonna horse
no, I mean, no, not that. Can I go ahead and put this on there? Yeah, the reason why I'm saying that is like, I'm gonna go ahead and put this part. When we do the second part, this don't need to be over here. I think I saw it in the videos. If not, I'm making it up.
Yeah, no, you're correct. They did pull the strings on the side. Yes, and then you'll be using that side to basically pull the middle pulley up.
Should I be on this side, or we'll see if it even matters?
Yeah.
Wait, it's upside down.
Hey, it's upside down, Jack. So
What you mean?
Hey,
when we opened it, it went upside down. Take it off, but don't let it hit the ground. Bring it over here. So all we gotta do is me and Jalen go that way, and he goes this way.
I'm connecting the eyelid piece. You put one through the bottom, through both pieces of the tent. There's a hole here, and you just screw it together. This is what's gonna help us pull up the middle of the tent to have it draping. All right. We're good.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna just Velcro my way out of here. You got to pull it. Pull it, but it's hanging in the middle. Here, let me pull up some tension. Hold on. I'm gonna pull up some tension. Where's that rope?
Okay, you want me to pull it?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull up some tension. The tension's holding it to the ground, so I'm gonna pull it up.
Did it break or what?
The clip broke.
So that right there in the center is the clip?
You might want to put a metal clip on it.
Oh.
A plastic clip.
Metal clip probably gonna work.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna, what were you saying?
We might
We say we might have to what?
have to put a metal clip on.
Nah, you said something earlier, but that's okay. We can't say it on camera, I guess.
Oh. Well, we might have to get on Celina.
Oh, you say nigger.
Yeah, we might have to.
And we will have to.
Yeah, we're gonna have to tie it right there, but I'm not going up to the side.
Why not?
Cause I mean, you gotta be all the way up to tie it. That clip, I just threw it over the deal and then pulled it down. Man, you gotta be way up there.
Somebody needs to be in the middle and pulling that. They could go.
Oh, you gotta do it from the middle down, not over here
Get
to the
on this
side.
shit. Pasa esto.
The middle?
Pasa esto
Yeah,
abajo.
you gotta pull it up from the middle, not
So
from.
that's why we broke it?
Yeah.
Note to self.
Connect on bottom.
Connect on the bottom, do not connect from the top. All right, so now we gotta back this off, bump it out, and then get the ladder. All right, get the ladder. All right, so basically we were second guessing what we did. And then I even watched the video because they're like, oh, it has a hole here to run the string through, but no, I just watched the video. How we have it's correct, but the only problem is plastic clip snapped. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go up with the ladder, and this time we're gonna tie off the actual, like the two, I guess the ropes or whatever. We're gonna tie it off, so it's not gonna come off this time. Okay, you're right. Go ahead. You can get one more.
You really don't need the thing. You can just.
Yeah, step up one more step.
So basically, we hand tied instead of using the actual clip. We just hand tied it, double knot. One thing that we were talking about is like, hey, whenever a customer wants a drape system, he said we'll just leave it on there, so that piece has that all the time. But we're just gonna take better care of it because we're used to just throwing the pieces, but that crown piece we're gonna always separate it from the other one. So if a client says, hey, I want this drape system, we're gonna have the crown piece with that already attached to it, ready to go. All right, good.
Roll out like.
Well, just keep going.
You got it.
Bitch is heavy. Tie it to the truck and pull it out. You're right, come on.
Okay, let me step on it right here.
Come here, Noe. Get down. Hook all the rest of them, Noe.
Man, y'all doing it wrong.
Man, I don't know why you can reach
On this side, not right here. Y'all going to all right, so when you attach the line, you have to come from this side, not from this side, because then you can see all of this.
Yeah.
So that's what they're working on.
Note to self, make sure we hire 6-foot people to clip it. Well, look here. We got it. It looks wonderful. It was a little difficult because we don't know what we're doing. But now that we done ran through them difficulties, I believe it's gonna be a lot easier. I believe this should take you about a good 30, 35 minutes to put it up.
Yeah.
Okay, so this looks beautiful, but I hated setting this up. So if I ran this company, I charge a lot of money.
All right. Back to you, Eddie.
One of the pros that I see from installing this tent liner is it hides the ugly. Like this tent top on this West Coast 40x40 that we have, it's been out in the company for about 4 years, so it's not the best looking, but once you put a liner on, it kind of puts the pop to it. It's very, very elegant looking. I know a lot of people, once they see the photos, they're gonna want this product. Then also, I'll have the option for the people that are a little bit more picky and they want a little bit more better looking underneath the tent where everybody's gonna be looking up. Now you have something to kind of sell them on. Some of the cons, but this is just me basically basing that on our first experience. Some of the cons I would say on this specific liner is, I guess, the stretching part. Well, we didn't know certain things. Like one thing that we kind of found out is we need to do the corners first. Then once we do the corners, we can start, going down the lines. We have 6 people here, so everyone's kind of like just connecting. And then when we get to a corner, we kind of found out it didn't connect right. So you have to do things in certain order. If not, then things happen or it doesn't fit correctly. So I'm not attributing the liner to the fitment, like it's the liner's fault. I think it's us as installers, and like the rest of the guys say, the more that we do this, the better we're gonna get. And even though he says like we can even make mistakes and still pull it off and make it look good. But other than that, I like it a lot. I'm really excited. I've already taken pictures and like put it on social media. And yeah, we're gonna get better, and hopefully Celina sends us some more products that way we can review and show you guys and give you our honest feedback.
Okay, so rate this tent liner from a 1 to 10 in terms of difficulty level in installing for your first time.
Okay, difficulty level in installing from 1 to 10, 10 being the most difficult or the easiest? The most difficult? I would say this is like a 4. It's really straightforward. Really all it is doing certain steps in order. It's not very hard at all. Like it's pretty much you open it, you know, you clip the clips on the string on the tent top, and then you know you meet the 2 sections together and run the eyelet and tighten it and then pull up. I mean, it can't get easier than that. So hardness, not very hard. Some people say just, you know, go to your fabric store and run fabric, but I see that taking a lot of time. This liner from Celina, like it's literally all you do is, you know, clip it, run the eyelet down the middle, pull the string, tie the string off, and you're done. Maybe just here and there. And one thing that I did like with that eyelet that I mentioned, you can like tie stuff right here in the middle. I was playing around with the guys. I was like, hey, they can put a disco ball or, you know, or whatever. You can even put like a piñata up there and hoist it up and down, whatever. You can put stuff up there if you want to. But if you'd ask me, would I suggest somebody to purchase a specific liner? I would say yes. But then again, this is my very first one. So to me, it's like the best thing ever. So yeah, go and get it if you can.
Thank you guys so much for joining another Rental Boys vlog. If you would like to see another video like this, please click this playlist up here. And please comment, like, and subscribe so that we can continue giving you guys videos. Thank you.